Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, as you can see, I got some studs that are a little screwed up. I need to replace them. And the easiest way to do that is to use a ball joint press. And I'm going to show you just how simple it is to get all those out. Pull out. Just got to get it set up. Sometimes you're not going to get exactly on the stud. That's okay. Whoops. We're gonna go to the next one here. See how simple that was? Now, as you can see, one stud's already in. Effortlessly use the ball joint press, as I'm going to show you how that's done. So really, all I gotta do is line her up. Okay, see how simple that is? We're just going to spin the axle here freely and grab another stud, put it in like that, slide this over, another one's in. Saves you a whole lot of time from trying to bang it in, beating it in.
There you are. I hope you enjoyed the short video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. I'll see you in the next one.